Disney's live-action Moana has crashed at the box office with a disappointing $43 million US debut. This marks a new low for the studio's remake franchise as audiences shift their interest toward original hits. We break down the numbers and what this means for the future of the studio. The Disney live-action remake franchise has been a major player in the film industry for years, with many of its productions generating significant buzz and box office success. However, the latest release has fallen short of expectations, prompting questions about the viability of this business model. The remake in question is based on a popular animated film that originally debuted several years ago. As the numbers come in, it's clear that something has gone wrong, with the film's opening weekend performance being notably underwhelming. Disney's live-action remake of Moana has opened to disappointing box office numbers, with a US debut of $43 million. This marks a low point for the company's remake franchise, which has seen significant success in the past. The film's underwhelming performance is a surprise, given the popularity of the original animated version. According to box office data, the movie has failed to attract a large audience, with some analysts attributing this to a crowded release schedule. In contrast, another film, Michael, has broken records with a global box office total of $1 billion. The poor performance of Moana has raised questions about the viability of Disney's remake strategy. This underperformance signals a major shift in audience appetite. The reliance on live-action remakes is no longer a guaranteed win. The contrast is stark. While original storytelling hits billion-dollar milestones, recycled nostalgia is failing to pull the crowds. This is a significant blow to the studio's current content strategy. Moving forward, the industry will be watching the second weekend drop to see if this is a fluke or a broader trend. If the numbers continue to slide, expect a pivot back toward original properties. The takeaway is clear: the era of the easy remake is over. A disappointing debut indicates the live-action trend is losing its grip on the box office. Is the era of the remake officially over, or is there still a market for these films? Tell us your take in the comments. Subscribe to stay informed.